Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if volume up and down button are not working on your iPhone. So guys, if you're also facing this issue here, I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply restart or turn off your device for one time, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. Since these buttons are not working, you have to simply open settings and then scroll it below, tap on general and scroll it below all the way and tap on shutdown from here, and you have to simply turn off your iPhone for one time from here. So I simply slide this button and turn off or power off your iPhone, and after this restart your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply make sure that you are using the updated version of software in your device. So guys, for that tap on general and then tap on software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, simply update your device to the latest version and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to any Apple service shop for fixing the physical buttons of your iPhone. So guys, simply go to any Apple service shop and fix the buttons physically of your iPhone. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.